Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment offers expert water heater repair services in Santa Cruz County, CA, ensuring that residents have access to reliable hot water when they need it most. Specializing in all types of water heaters, including tankless, electric, and gas models, the company provides comprehensive repair solutions to address any issues, from leaks and insufficient heating to strange noises and complete system failures. Whether you're dealing with an emergency or simply need a routine checkup, our company is dedicated to providing top-tier service with a focus on customer satisfaction. Call our water heater repair team if you have any questions. Are you looking for a water heater repair near me? You can stop looking. You found Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment. Can you help with water heater installation if a repair isn't possible? Absolutely. If repair isn't feasible, we can guide you through selecting a new water heater and handle the installation process to ensure it's done correctly and efficiently. Are your repair services guaranteed? Yes, we stand behind our work with a satisfaction guarantee. If you experience any issues after a repair, we'll return promptly to address the problem at no additional cost. What is your service area for Santa Cruz County, California? Our water heater repair has helped clients in Santa Cruz, SoCal, Capitola, Scotts Valley, Aptos, Watsonville, Los Gatos, Saratoga, Campbell, Morgan Hill, Marina, Cupertino, Pacific Grove, Gilroy, San Jose, California. Where is your Santa Cruz County, California water heater repair office located? We are located at 303 Potrero St. Suite 198, Santa Cruz, California 95060. Our phone number is 831-999-2029. Visit our website, www.santacruzplumbingrepair.com/Santa-Cruz-plumbing-draining-water-heater-repair.